We made $890 today in our detailing business, and I'll show you how. We started with this Panamera. We did our main interior detail with a steam edition for a total of $125. After that, we did this Tundra. Customer wanted our standard detail with a steam edition as well because he wanted his leather to look brand new again. So we made that happen for him. We got into the rims, fenders, pre-rinse, foam bath, all the good stuff, you know, and the total was $210. After that, we did this Toyota, which is a maintenance. We see her every 30 days and it's $110, and her husband gave us $100 tip for cleaning his windows. Up, we did this Atlas. It was a first-time customer, so we did her standard detail, and it was in pretty bad shape because she has kids, and you already know how it is. Not judging though. This car was a total of $180, and she gave us a $20 tip. Super grateful, super blessed. And last but not least, we did this Porsche Taycan. It was in pretty good shape. However, it needed some details, you know, because regular cars do not get in depth like we do. So we gave it our standard detail, and it came out looking crazy, crispy. And this car was a total of $150, and that finishes our $895 day. Check out some after videos, and we're super blessed and grateful to all of our customers who trust us every single day. So we love y'all and enjoy.